Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for all your love and support. And today I'm going to show you something which I really loved after I had tested it and tried it at my home. Okay, so anyways, the video is all about how to grow coriander at home very easily. Okay, the process is actually easy. There is nothing much to simplify for me. Okay, so let's see it very fast. So now, first of all, if you see over here, these are the coriander seeds I have, which are soaked for 30 minutes in water. Okay, now if you see, I'll just show you. See, if you see these seeds, okay, these are half sliced. Okay, you don't need to make it complete powder. You just need to make one dhania seed into two seeds. This is basically dhania, right? So you just need to make one round seed into two pieces. That's it, not more than that at all. You just need, so that it can easily germinate. That's it. If someone don't want to make it, you just don't need to split it even. Now let's see the proportion of the sand I have taken, soil. Okay, so this is a tray which I have taken, and now the proportion of the soil which you have to take is, if someone has a good garden soil, you take it very easy. Okay, nothing more than that. You just don't need to take anything more. So this is normal garden soil which is mixed with almost 20% of compost. If someone want to add coco peat, it is well and good. If someone don't want to add coco peat, even that is fine. Okay, just take normal garden soil, nothing more than that. So I've taken one full tray of complete garden soil and I'm just adding water to it. Okay, so just before you start putting seeds in it, make sure that your soil is really wet. It's not dry. Okay. So take a pen. This is very easy method which I have found. Okay, see, one small tip is, if you just throw seeds here and there in soil, when your coriander starts growing, it becomes very bushy and very messy. Okay, it is very difficult for you to cut, and as a result you have to pull it out right from the roots. So make it aligned. How you have to do it is, I just found a tip. You just take a pen and just make a small way over here like this. Okay, and now take your seeds, and then you can just cover them. This is one way which is very easy also, and in this way, if you make lines and if you start putting seeds, it will be very easy when you seed. Okay, else the other way, you just scatter it out and add a layer of soil to it, and that is also easy. It's not difficult. Okay, see, normally you just dig some soil like this. Okay, and now just take this and just scatter it all over. It's very easy. Okay, and just make sure you're covering the soil, covering it with soil. So I have scattered out all the seeds over here in this particular tray. If you see, I have scattered out all the seeds. Okay, so now see, every time whatever seed you put it in the soil should not be more than 1 inch inside the soil, else it is very difficult for that seed to grow up. Okay, so now a lot of seeds are still seen on the top layer, so just to cover it, okay, I'm just taking some soil and I'm just adding some soil on the top of it, so that the seeds just go down. So I have added one layer of soil completely into it. Now you just see, when you're pouring water, don't pour water so that a lot of force pressure is applied on it. Okay, so just sprinkle water daily when you even water, or if you don't have a sprinkler or something, just add. See the way I am adding water. So in this way, if you add, there is no pressure applied on the soil or on the leaves. So this is how, if you add water daily, that's enough. Okay, so for the first time when you add seeds, the seeds need a lot of water. So I have just made it wet all around, and you just have to wait. One more thing, okay, for people who are doing it for the first time, this coriander is a very lazy plant. It doesn't grow so quickly, so just don't lose hopes. Okay, so wait for a week or 10 days. By the time it starts rooting out, and the first time when the plant starts growing, it will have baby plants, which is like a very normal. The leaves doesn't look exactly like coriander. It looks like normal leaves. Those are known as baby leaves. So after the baby leaves come, after 5 to 7 days, the original coriander leaves come out. So just hold patience. Okay, by the time it grows so bushy and so beautiful, I'll again make a video and show you how my coriander has grown. Okay, so finally we are done with it. It is very easy. The soil, you get it in your garden, and the coriander, you get it in your kitchen, and you just need to prepare it the way I have shown you in the video. You can try it, and your kids also can try it. So do try it at your home, because you have a lot of time right now in this quarantine time, and this is the best thing to do, I guess, gardening. So I hope you liked my video, and if you really liked it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's see the next time with a new video. Bye bye.